Hello all, and welcome back to Making Web-Based Technology Easier for 21st Century Teachers and Learners. I'm Phil Hockman, the professor, for our final module, Module 8, Making Learning 24/7, 365. Hopefully throughout the entire class you've got a background, got a lot more comfortable dealing with the web-based interface that we've been dealing with, and towards the end we're gearing you up for our final project. So once again, our purpose for this module is to create a 24-hour day, 7-day-a-week, 365-day-a-year learning environment for your classroom. As you're seeing, you're watching the video now, and then you're going to get ready with sandbox time number 12, blogging through the sand. You're going to watch a Common Craft video on what blogs are. You're going to then go to sandbox 12. You're going to follow a couple blogging sites, see how they work. Maybe you want to test out and create a page, but don't do anything serious unless you're going to do it for your final project. Once again, try to find a blogger that interests you on any of your topic. It could be personal, it could be professional, a lot of stuff out there. Post your findings to assignment 36 on your page on the class wiki. Assignment number 37 is called Sandbox Time number 13, Wiki, the Sandbox Remix. What you're going to do is you're going to watch a video on what wikis are, then you're going to jump over to Sandbox 13. Now, we've been using wiki spaces for this course, but just so you know, if you're going to create a wiki for your final project, I want you to take a look at a couple other wiki creation tools, play around with them. Once again, post your findings on what you liked, all right, to assignment number 37. Enjoy a digital brain break, always fun, always good times, trying with your class. And then assignment number 38, build your own sandbox. You've been messing around with that Weebly web page, okay, which is a WYSIWYG website, which means what you see is what you get. That means you can create something without knowing any code, all right, which is really, really useful if you're going to create your own website and you don't want to type in all kinds of, long-winded codes to make colors change. So let's take a look at 14 a little bit further in detail. I've been using Weebly, and Weebly is a very, very good website for logging in. I'm going to log in using my email. And in here you can see a couple different websites I've been using. I'm going to show you this one. I'm going to go into the edit page here to give you a little bit more background. So once you've created a website, such as the one for our course, I've already built out a lot of pages and a lot of options, but this is going to give you some behind the scenes way to do things. So let's say I wanted to create a brand new page. I can go to pages, I can go to add a page, I can do a standard page, I can name that page test, and I could save and edit. Now once I save and edit this page, this test page is empty. It just has this random default picture. You can edit images here. You can add an image anywhere from your computer. You can then start to build your elements here. So let's say I want to add in some dividers. Just drop them in there, and a divider will pop up. You can move this divider around to help organize. You can add in some images. All right, and you can upload another image from there to your computer. You can add in all kinds of buttons and documents and products and all kinds of stuff, polls, and all kinds of interesting tools to make your life, to make your website very, very engaging. So I'm going to go back to my design, my pages I mean. I'm going to, once again, leave this here and I'll delete this page now. All right, so once again, that is called Weebly. Now there's some other ones on here, Wix, Yola. Once again, if you already have your school website, you can use that showing improvements that you've made after this course. If you already have a school website, feel free to use that for your final project. It's really, really useful that you update and upgrade your website. And obviously, you want to show a change after learning this course. I want to see elements from the course that you've added to the website. Not that you have a website, but what have you gained from this class? So let's go back to Module 8. So those are some WYSIWYG ideas for assignment number 38. Now, assignment number 39 is a little bit of a reflection here. And as you've worked through Hockman's taxonomy work with technology, where are you at now? So in the very beginning of the course, we talked about some levels. Maybe some of you were at awareness or navigation. Maybe some of you were at utilization. But ultimately, hopefully we've gotten you closer to creation, trying out some of the new things. And hopefully these names now make sense to you throughout the Hockman's taxonomy picture. And number 40, of course, is the big one. Sandbox time number 15. Creating a 24/7, 365 access to your classroom for your students. Once again, go to the link. You can look up all the details for how you're going to be graded, and I'm going to go over this briefly right now. So you click on the link to that, and you're going to see the rubric. Let's download the rubric. Once again, it should open up. Beautiful thing. All right, so once again, there are 10 elements that I'm looking for in a rubric. And you want to obviously go for the most amount of points possible. So the resource is a clear stated theme, whether it's a wiki, a blog, a website, some sort of screencast you've created, some sort of video, vodcast, podcast. Information you provided is accurate, the layout is attractive, the audio, if it has audio, it may be NA, that's why it's either 4 or 8 depending on the type of product you use. Some of them, only half of these count. Copyright, make sure you use the fair use guidelines, that's on the website page. Navigation is clean, background's clean, fonts look good, graphics are good, and obviously the spelling, grammar are accurate and correct. So those are the basic things when creating a web resource we're looking for in there. So try your best, all right? Follow the rubric, have fun, create something meaningful for your students to create a 24/7, 365 learning environment. And once again, if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. And as a final note, when evaluating this course, remember, where did you begin? Where did you get to? What were the goals of the course? Did you reach them? And when evaluating, please make sure that you really take a look at your growth throughout the course. Once again, have a great day. Take care. I'm looking forward to seeing all of your great projects.